What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Have you ever been in your refrigerator, your freezer? Maybe your milk is a little bit too icy. Maybe your ice cream is a little bit too much of a soft serve kind of feel to it. Guess what? It's really easy to change the temperature in your freezer or your refrigerator in your Frigidaire Gallery French door refrigerator. Let's get into it. All right, so here's our display. We simply want to click the options button here, and as you can see, kind of a menu of options pops up right there. Just use that down button until we get to the refrigerator temp. And as you can see, the temperature displays right here. We're going to take that down a couple degrees. We just press the minus button right here to 36. If you're satisfied with that, it'll blink, it lets you know. Then we can go down to the freezer temperature as well and use those same buttons. So we'll take this up a bit, maybe to 2 degrees. It'll blink and let you know that's set. So we just press the exit button here, which is options. And it displays again the freezer temperature and the refrigerator temperature to confirm with you your settings. And after a while, the display will just turn off. That's it, my friends. Thanks for watching, everybody.